Welcome creators, I'm the Hommeyosh, and today we're talking about 5 things every game developer creator should do before building anything, before Unreal Engine, before coding, before you even turn on your computer, because how you start determines how you finish. Tip 1. Build on paper first, before you stress yourself out with code errors, crashes, blueprints breaking, or programs freezing. Write your ideas down. Some ideas sound amazing in the moment, but a few days later you look back and go, wait, I was going to build that? And that's okay. Paper gives you perspective. Sketch mechanics, write characters, concepts, plan your level flow. Create a simple storyboard. It doesn't have to be physical paper. You can use Notepad, use Google Docs, use anything. But don't just open your editor and stare at it hoping inspiration hits, because most of the time it won't. Build a guide before you build a game. Tip 2. Stay organized from day one. Let me be real with you. I've lost code, I've misplaced assets, I buried myself in chaos because I didn't organize properly. Everything needs a home. Create folders before you create assets. Use subfolders. Name things properly. Structure your project like it matters, because it does. Disorganization kills momentum. Organization builds confidence, and confidence keeps you building. Tip 3. Don't crash out on one problem. We've all been there. One bug won't fix, one blueprint won't fire, one animation won't line up. And you sit there for hours getting frustrated. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just walk away. Sleep on it. I can't tell you how many problems I solved in my sleep. Your brain gets tired. It misses obvious solutions. Rest is part of development. Game dev isn't just technical. It's mental endurance. Tip number 4. Move your body before you build. This one sounds simple, but it's powerful. Before you sit down for hours, move. Push-ups, a jog, stretching for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need a killer workout, you just need the blood pumping. You'd be surprised how creativity flows when your body is awake. Game development is creative energy, and energy starts with you. Tip number 5. Create for others, not just for yourself. This one changed everything for me. When you only create for yourself, it can start to feel like work. But when you create for others, it becomes purpose. Build something that teaches, entertains, inspires, challenges people. When you create for others, it stops being a grind and it becomes passion. So before you jump into your editor, slow down, plan, organize, rest, move, create with purpose. These 5 habits will save you time, frustration, and burnouts. If this video was helpful, comment below and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And like always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.